So we're gonna run through some airflow testing using our pepper method that we typically use, and this is basically the before state. I have this bracket installed, but this is barely taking anything. We're gonna do the before state, and then we're gonna install the unit, and then we're gonna show you the difference. So let me do the before state at 1. So this is what you get. Before state, you still have a little bit of airflow that's directly going through. You see that with the paper moving, that's level 1. I'm gonna increase that to level 5. And this is what you see with the before state of level 5. So there's quite a bit of airflow that is going directly to my face here. So that's 5. Now let's blast this to 10. And of course, you're gonna see a lot of airflow. So those are all before state. Let's put the display and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not gonna move the camera or anything, so you get the exact same angle before and after. So we just installed this screen here. Now let's do the airflow testing. We're gonna start with 1. So this is after. So after this screen, at 1, I see slightly reduced airflow, but at 1, it's just hard to test that anyways, but just judging by here in the back, it's slightly reduced. Let's pump this up to 5. And yeah, you start seeing the airflow, not as strong as without the display, of course, because there's a lot of airflow that this directly blocks, but you can see the airflow passing from the top here though. So if you look at the paper, it does pass through it from the top, but at here, 5, you still see the blockage. And now let's bump this up to 10. So this is 10, and of course, you see crazy amount of airflow at 10. Look at that. So you still get a lot of airflow to your face. At 10 here, it kind of makes that, if you look at the curve here, the airflow is going directly from here and passes through the screen. You can kind of see like a flow, right? It goes, passes through here, and then it comes directly to my face. So if you're creative at the airflow settings, you can get this up and running. So that is airflow 10. So just based on my observation, I would say probably 20 to 25% reduction of airflow, but I don't have a fancy equipment to detect that. I just showed you what the before and after looks like, and I did not change any of the airflow angle or anything. It is literally the same as before and after.